Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef keema kabab. First, select about 1 pound of 80% lean ground beef. Next, finely chop 1 medium onion, 2 inches of fresh ginger, and 3 cloves of garlic. Ensure all your ingredients are fresh and ready for mixing. This initial preparation is key to building the foundational flavors of your delicious kebabs. Now let's mix and shape. Combine your ground beef with the finely chopped aromatics and spices. Add 1 teaspoon each of cumin and coriander, plus 1 tablespoon of chili powder. Knead the mixture thoroughly for about 5 minutes. This helps bind everything together. Then, shape the mixture into uniform kebabs, roughly 2 inches long, ready for cooking. It's time to cook your kebabs. You have a few great options. You can pan-fry them over medium heat for 8 to 10 minutes, turning until golden brown. Alternatively, grill them for a wonderful smoky flavor, turning every 2 minutes. Or, for a hands-off approach, bake them at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. Choose your favorite method. Finally, let's talk about serving your delicious beef keema kababs. They are best enjoyed hot, straight from the pan or grill. Serve them alongside a refreshing mint and yogurt chutney. Warm naan bread or fluffy basmati rice makes a perfect accompaniment. A sprinkle of fresh cilantro and a squeeze of lemon juice will brighten every bite. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.